So hey friends, I find myself with a couple of days off here before Christmas, so it's road trip time.
She's lost. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her mind again.
So I thought I would spend this time doing a little bit of recon. I'm going to check out a couple of state parks for possible Lolapalooza sites for 2020. And also, I'm going to look at a little bit of land. I saw a few things online that were interesting. So, yeah, this is just a drive around Texas recon weekend. First up is Lake Bob Sandlin State Park. Now, Lake Bob Sandlin is about 140 miles from Dallas and a little bit further, I think, than Cooper Lake, but not by much. Probably not much at all. So yeah, let's go check it out. Oh, this is so cute. They're all festive. Cool. Well, I'm glad I brought a few Christmas decorations. That's so fun.
Your destination is on the left.
Thank you very much. Well, that was a first. This is the first time I've ever checked into a Texas state park that I didn't have to park, get out of the car, walk in, and get my permit. Thank you, Bob Sandlin. Somebody finally figured it out. Check this out. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That's adorable. Yeah. I love that they've gone to so much trouble and made it so festive. Polar bear's not very good at this game. So I do know that these little cabins are $40 a night, but they don't have restrooms in them. They do have bunk beds in them though, and heat and AC. But yeah, like this one right here next to the bathroom, that would not be bad at all, if that's your jam. Hi Santa, how are you? So here at Bob Sandlin, they have two big loops that are right next to each other, and then they have a shared space kind of in between the two loops. I really love the way this campground was set up. There's a little bit of green space, which is really just more pine trees, in between each campsite. But as far as a Lolapalooza meetup spot, this could work. So Santa and the penguin are in a deer stand, and the deer is hiding right under him. That's kind of funny. I love that they have their day-glow orange hat on the penguin. Very cute. There's a little tent over there. So cute. Yeah, that poor little Christmas tree's seen a better day, but it's still cute. Alright, I'm all set up. Not a bad little campsite. This'll do. This'll do. Thought I heard something rustling around out there. I heard a deer. A whole bunch of them. Yep, that's what's going on around here tonight. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. They really help. I hope whatever you guys are doing tonight, you are having a fabulous night too. Y'all, stay lost, my friends.
Okay, why can't I find my campsite?
I can't find my campsite.